All right, so if I were to graph this one out, it really requires more effort on my part. And to do that, I got to say when x is greater than or equal to 0, that f of x would equal x plus x squared. I'm going to say right now I got to restrict it. I can't allow 0 in. So I'm going to go back over here and erase this and just simply say this now. I'm going to divide through by x to get 1 and 1 plus x. I certainly know what that looks like, all right? And we're above the 0. So what does that look like? Let's take a look at it. At 0 would be 1. I'll put that down. So, oh, you know what? I can't use 0, so I gotta erase this then. Right? Sorry about that. I can't let it be. I gotta put an open circle there. So this point over here is going to be 0, 1. And then what happens over here? I'm going to say it looks sort of like this over here. Sort of. Dirty picture of it. Now let's talk about when x is going to be less than 0. All right, what does this function look like? F of x equals x minus x plus x squared. I'm going to divide through by x because x is not 0, by the way. I can do that pretty quickly. I get 1, and then I get minus 1 plus x. All right? So what do you get over there? Let's write this down. You get 1, and then you get x minus 1. All right? Now, again, I'm kind of looking at that, and I'm wondering, you know, at 0, what would happen? I'd get minus 1. I'm going to put a circle there, and I'm going to write down this is going to be 0 minus 1. This is a quick, dirty picture, at least hand drawing it over here. And what does it look like? Well, it's going to look sort of like this over here. All right? So that's my dirty picture. And again, what I want to do is I want to go to the software, and that's going to be figure 18 now, and it's this one over here. Am I getting roughly the same picture? I'm getting roughly the same picture. What does a better job? Grapher does a better job. It's also quicker, by the way. Once you learn to use the software, it's quicker. All right? Again, some people are quick at things, and I'm not that quick, I guess. But let's go back to software. We're using, again, Sage Math. Reset, clean sheet of paper, define a variable, define the function, which they give me, and then we do these 3 limits. What are we expecting to see? Minus 1, 1, and a DNE. Again, I don't like the fact that it said UND over here. I'm going to simply say it should be DNE. Let me write that down for you. DNE. From the left, it should be minus 1, as we stated, and from the right, it should be 1. All right, they're not in agreement. That's why the limit does not exist. Thank you.